Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change currency on Trading 212. To change currency on Trading 212, first open your Trading 212 application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your Trading 212 account. With this, now here you can see your home. Now tap on three lines on down right corner, then scroll down and look for settings, then tap on settings option. With this, now here you can see the option of currency. Tap on currency options. To change your currency, you need to properly set up your account and verify your identity. Here you can see you can change two kind of currency settings. One is for buying currency and another is for selling currency. You can tap on primary currency option so that you can choose the currency that you want to trade with. Then tap on any of the currency that you want. Similarly, you can also choose asset currency, which are the currencies that are available on your funds. When there are no funds available, the primary currency is selected. This is how we can change currency on Trading 212. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.